everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel called Crafty Kids. Today we are going to be making slime, and I know this was popular 3 years ago, I think. So it's been quite a while since I last made slime, but we're gonna try. So the supplies you'll be needing. Elmer's glue. You don't need this much, but this is just what I have. You'll be needing contact lens solution and a baking soda. You're not going to need that much of this, but you'll need quite a bit of this. It's the activator. And then you need a container that you'll be making your slime in with some mixing tools. I just have 2 because they're plastic and if one breaks, then I want to have a backup. And of course we have paints to color our slimes. I have several other colors, but yeah. And then Barbasol shaving foam. It makes it fluffy, I guess. It's just what I can remember from when I used to make slime, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I have all of these like fun little add-ins to put into the slime. So we're gonna have some fun with these. So let's get into making slime. Okay, so right now I'm about to add in my Elmer's glue into my container, and you want to make sure you put in the right amount, and the right amount is about just to fill up the bottom of your container with glue. And now I'm going to add in my Barbasol shaving foam. Just add in, honestly, Barbasol, how much you put in is just based off of your opinion, how fluffy you want your slime to be. And now I'm going to be putting in yellow paint into my slime to color it. You can do any color, that's just my favorite color, so that's why I chose it. And now I'm mixing the color into my slime to put the color everywhere in the slime. Next, I'm going to be adding in my fun add-ins. In this case, I chose pom-poms. There are also foam beads that you can put in your slimes too. And I'm now mixing them in. And now I'm going to add a bit of baking soda. This is basically my activator, but it does not activate until the contact lens solution is in. Once I put my baking soda in, I'm going to mix it and then add my contact lens solution, and then it will activate it. I have learned that adding in little by little amounts of contact lens solution and then mixing it in really helps you get the right consistency in making a slime. And then here I'm adding in a little bit more. And I'm mixing. Once you think that you have gotten it to the right consistency, you can take it out. It might be a little sticky at first, but the more you knead it, the better it will become. Another trick is always kneading it. And then here I am just rolling it around, cleaning up my surface. And that's my ended product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I love the outcome of this slime. It's very fun and feels interesting with the pom-poms in it. It has a good crunch, I guess. Is that what we would say back 3 years ago? I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a nice day, morning, night, weekend, week. Bye!